In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer ticket in Zendesk. We'll walk through the essentials so you can capture the right details, route the ticket to the right person, and send a clear first response to the customer. Start in the Zendesk agent workspace. Open the Add menu at the top and choose Ticket. This creates a fresh ticket canvas where you'll fill in the key information that powers routing, reporting, and service level timing. Begin by setting who the request is from in the Requester field. If the customer already exists, start typing and select the correct contact from the suggestions. If you don't see them, click Add User to create a new profile. Enter the customer's full name and a valid email address, then click Add. Getting these two fields right ensures your reply goes to the correct person and the ticket threads properly in the future. Next, assign ownership. In the S&E field, choose the appropriate group or agent who will handle the case. Assigning upfront reduces handoffs and speeds resolution. If your team has clear queues or specialties, follow those guidelines. Add relevant tags to make the ticket easy to find and report on. Use standard, lowercase tags your team recognizes, like product names, error codes, or campaign identifiers. Consistent tags help dashboards and automations work accurately. Now set the type to describe the nature of the work. Choose question for a how-to or general inquiry. Use incident when it's a single occurrence related to a broader issue. Select problem if you're tracking a root cause defect affecting many users. Pick task for work that requires action items to be completed. Choosing the right type informs workflows and reporting. Set the priority based on impact and urgency. Typically, low, normal, high, or urgent. Align with your team's SLAs, considering how many customers are affected and the time sensitivity. Add a clear, concise subject so anyone scanning the queue understands the request at a glance. Then write your public reply. Acknowledge the issue, restate the customer's goal in plain language, and outline the next step or request any missing details you need. Keep the tone friendly and professional, and avoid sharing sensitive information. If you're including diagnostics or links, make sure they're safe for external viewing. When everything looks good, click Submit as New. This saves the ticket, sends your reply to the requester, and triggers any routing or notifications configured in your account. That's it. You've created a well-structured Zendesk ticket that's ready for fast follow-up and clear collaboration.